Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. And so in this haul, this will be just primarily embossing folders from Dries and Sheena, which is Sheena Douglas of Crafter's Companion from the UK. So some of this is mine and some is my sister, and you'll kind of see that. So we're just going to jump right in, and I'm sure you'll see more of this week. I posted this probably early in the week. Yeah, or maybe was it last weekend? Can't remember when I posted it. But it's on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1, because I travel a lot, so I don't have time to come home and make the videos or post things up. So my videos sometimes, especially of my Tuesday morning, may be a few days later or a week later, whatever. But anyway, so these are the March items. So most of the Dries items are March, so they should be in your store. Ours was out a week or so ago, so I know there's another sale on the 24th, so this was out at least a week or so before the 24th. But anyway, March, so you should expect Dries embossing folders, $1.99 in your store. Most of them are the A2 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, but they also have a couple 5 by 7s, which I already had all of those, which is A7s. So these are some I got for myself and some for my sister, who does a lot of mixed media. So this is 2096129, and this is what that looks like. And the name of this one is Diamond Background. Of course, you can see the diamond background, and that is why I got it, because my little one named that. She's not so little. And this one is a Succulents. And again, the same price, 2096134. Yeah, so they all have different numbers, because sometimes the SKUs, when there's a batch like this, may have the same number, but they all have different numbers. And guys, when I tell you how much they put out, at least about 45 at all the stores that I've seen. So you should be able to find some. There were some repeats from the last 2 batches, but the majority of these were new. So there should be plenty, but you know, because every store went in, I mean, I would say no less than 45 or 50. There was at least 3 to 4 rows, complete rows deep, maybe more than that. Anyway, so this one is 2096134, and that is what that looks like. Hopefully you can see that, because the lighting. This is a simple one for a quick card. You just want to say somebody miss you. That is the actual title again, 2096138. Whoops. Simple. This one is called Dot Trees Background. My sister also wanted this one, but we can share it. 2096130. Did I read this one? 2096138 is the miss you, and 30. The only last 2 digits are going to differ in a series. So that's the Dot Tree Background. This one is called Kites Background, 2096128. So I'm going to call it the last 2 digits, because the first numbers are the same, 20961, and then the last 2 digits. This one is 17, and this one is called Thinks Define. Thinks Define. So it actually has the word and tells you what it is. Oops, sorry. Quick cards out of these, and this is You're Invited, and the last one on this one is 36, and this one is Light Bulbs Background, and the last 2 digits on this one is 25. Bright Idea, You're Shining, all kinds of things for that one. So these are the ones that she got. This one is called Arrow Background, 27. And this one is called Gradual Dots, and this is 13. I like that one. And this one, Fruit Background, and it is 24. She got a whole bunch of spellbinders that I'll show you in the next one that I picked up for her. Go along. This one is 33, and this one is Blot Dot Background. So she's more to the geometric abstract. Rectangle Background, 37. Which I like as well. And this one's Brick Wall. I think I have this one. And this one is 08. And you know I got this one, Jim's Background. Actually, I believe Shishi gifted me this about 2 years ago in a rack. 32. but she wanted one because she didn't have that, and that's her niece's name. And then tree trunk, and this one is actually mine, and that's 15. And then there were a whole bunch of the 3D ones that you could choose from, but these were we both got the same ones on this one. And this one, these are A7, which means it's 5 by 7, and this one is up and away, and it's 208-9653, and these are $2.99 because these are the 3-layered or 3D embossing photos, so there's 3 different depths to it. They feel so much sturdy. She, I guess, watercolored or inked it on the back example, but if you can kind of see those hot air balloons. So that's that one. This is name, is there a name? Oh yeah, exclusive butterfly, 208-9651. So you can see butterflies like in a garden. And on the back, it's kind of the example they gave. Not the way I would do it, but still an example. And this is blowing the wind. I love these dandelions, and it's 208-9640, being just blown in the wind. I have a Doris one, but it's not a 3D one. It's A2, but it's not all that in the background. It just has one dandelion. Anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, subscribing again. Now these 3D ones these are February ones, but the Doris ones are March, so they should be out in your store. If you don't have them, just know they should be out for the March sale. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.